Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by to watch. Those who are watching for the first time, first hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you're always notified when there's a new video coming in. My name is Ruth Kwamby, and today I want to show you how to make a women fertility smoothie. You want to increase your fertility as a woman. Now this is for you. So we need 6 ingredients. We need pineapple, orange, we need tomato, we need pomegranates, we need walnuts, and we need sunflower seeds. Then we add water and blend it. We also need to spice it with cinnamon. So I sprinkle my cinnamon. It is nice, and you really should try this if you have fertility issues, or not really issues, you just want to increase your fertility as a woman. So you can go ahead and do this. And the other things that you can eat, like egg, you can eat salmons, you can eat lentils, beans, you can eat asparagus. You can also include healthy eating. Eat a lot of vegetables and fruits, and don't forget to drink. This is very important. So thank you guys for watching this, and let me know if you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in my next video.